Very good morning, dear students. I hope all of you are fine and safe. So, dear students, our today's video is in continuation with our previous video that was related to reported speech. Okay, as we have already discussed about the reported speech, what is reported speech. So, I hope all of you have understood what is reported speech. So, Rajay, in reported speech, what we do, we convey the information to someone else about the another person, that what he or she has said. Okay, now in our syllabus, as I told you before also, okay, we have present continuous tense only for reported speech. Okay, so we will be discussing about the reported speech for the present continuous tense only. So we have already discussed about this. There were certain rules which I want all of you to know. Okay, then it would be much easier for you to change from direct speech to the reported speech, or to reported speech we also call as indirect speech. Okay, now Rajay, the very first rule is present continuous tense जो है that changes into past continuous tense. As I said कि we have the present continuous tense related sentences for which we have to convert them into the indirect speech. Okay, so we need to take care of this thing कि if it is present continuous tense, जितने भी present continuous tense या present tense की form में जो भी होते हैं sentences, all those changes into past form. ठीक है, as here it is only about present continuous tense, so present continuous tense form changes into past continuous tense. Okay, now if you know कि present continuous tense का rule क्या है, that is subject, ठीक है, plus is, am, are plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Okay, so this is the rule for present continuous tense. Now if in the direct speech this thing is given, present continuous tense form is given, this whole part will change into the past form. Means subject will remain same. Okay, but here जो is, am, are है, is जो है वो हमारा किस में चेंज हो जाता है, was में, am भी was में चेंज हो जाएगा, but are will get change into were. ठीक है, so this is the first rule, present continuous tense changes into past continuous form. We need to know this. अब उसके अंदर क्या है कि if the helping verb is or am, singulars के साथ we are going to use is with he, she, it. ठीक है, and with I first person we always use am. Okay, is used with he, she, it. ठीक है, so this helping verb gets converted into was. ठीक है, जो भी direct speech में अगर ये helping verbs दी हुई हैं, these will change into was in case of reported speech. Okay, then if the subject is plural, we will be using are. Okay, so the are gets converted into were. Okay, is it clear? Now the another thing is changes in pronouns. How we have to change the pronouns. ठीक है, now see here, first case, if I is given, ठीक है, I will get converted into he or she. अगर direct speech में I given है, it will get converted into he or she. I जो है राजे, जो quotations के अंदर दिया होगा, हमने direct speech करी थी. I will give you examples after this. Okay, I changes into he or she, and then if we is given, we will change into they. Clear है? ठीक है, now let's come to this example. For example, this sentence is given here, she said, comma, then these quotation marks are there, inverted commas, we can also call it as inverted commas. Okay, now she said I am playing. Now Rajay, this is the direct speech. Now it has two parts, reporting verb. जो ये वाला पार्ट है जो जिसमें पता चल रहा है हमको कि who is saying the words, who is speaking, who is the speaker, this part is expressed with reporting verb. इसको हम reporting verb क्या देते हैं, ठीक है. और जो quotation में हमारा पार्ट है, to that we call as reported speech. Clear है? This is the reported speech. Now here, when we have to change from this part into indirect form, what will happen? This reporting verb will join with this reported speech and commas will be removed, and we will join these two parts, two clauses or two sentences with the help of that conjunction. Okay, this is another rule, we need to use that here. Clear hai? Now see Rajay, whenever any sentence is given to you, you need to check this thing first कि who is the speaker. ठीक है, अगर यहाँ पे गर्ल है, now she said, she is the girl, यहाँ पर गर्ल है, she said, we have pronoun she here, but in the reported speech part we have pronoun I. ठीक है, now she said I am playing. Now this girl, she is talking about herself. वो अपने बारे में बात कर रही है, तो ये जो I है ये इसके लिए स्टैंड करता है. ठीक है, तो when we are going to change this into indirect part, ठीक है, indirect speech, indirect form, this I will also change into she because she is a girl. So according to this pronoun we are going to change this. Okay, now here let's see, she said that she was playing. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये गर्ल जो है ये अपने बारे में बात कर रही है, तो जब ये इंफॉर्मेशन वो जो बात कर रही है, सपोज मैंने उसकी बात आगे आपको कन्वे करनी है, तो हाउ आई विल से कि उसने कहा, she said, उसने क्या कहा, उसने कहा, she said that she was playing, उसने कहा कि वह खेल रही थी. ठीक है, अब ये वह बन गया ना, बट जब वो खुद बात कर रही थी तो वो अपने बारे में बात कर रही थी. अगर मैंने बात करनी है कि she said, ठीक है, I am playing, उसने कहा कि मैं खेल रही हूँ, ये उसके एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स हैं, एक्चुअल वर्ड्स हैं राजे. ठीक है, सो दिस टू दिस पार्ट वी कॉल इट एज डायरेक्ट स्पीच. व्हेन द सेम इंफॉर्मेशन इज कन्वेड बाय समवन एल्स, जब कोई और उसके कहे हुए वर्ड्स आगे किसी को पास करेगा, तो देयर कैन बी सम चेंजेस ऑल्सो. ठीक है, वो एज इट इज नहीं कन्वे करेगा. आई का शी बन गया बिकॉज हेयर इट वॉज गर्ल, एम का वॉज बन गया. क्लियर है? Now she said that she was playing. Okay, now let's take another example here. Here we have Anu said Rahul is sleeping. Now this is a different type of sentence in which here it is Anu और ये किसी और बॉय के बारे में बात कर रहा है जिसका नाम है राहुल. ठीक है, तो हाउ वी विल चेंज इट. नाउ हेयर डिफरेंट पर्सन्स आर टॉकिंग हेयर. ठीक है, ये जो बॉय है या गर्ल है ये किसी और के बारे में बात कर रहा है, तो ये और बॉय है. ठीक है, तो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू मेक एनी चेंजेस हियर बिकॉज नेम्स आर गिवन. वी आर गिवन हियर नेम्स ऑफ द पर्सन, सो वी विल नॉट चेंज दीज एट ऑल. वी विल ओनली चेंज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब हियर एंड वी विल यूज दैट. नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ वी विल मेक चेंजेस हियर. अनु said, commas will be removed, that राहुल का राहुल आ जाएगा बिकॉज इट्स अ नेम गिवन हियर. हाँ, क्योंकि हम राहुल के बारे में ही बात कर रहे हैं. अगर मैं भी कोई बात करूंगी तो राहुल का जिक्र आएगा ही आएगा. ठीक है, इट विल नॉट बी चेंज्ड. सो अनु सेड दैट राहुल वॉज स्लीपिंग. क्लियर है? ओके, now let's take this example. Sita said, comma, inverted commas, I am cooking in the kitchen. ठीक है, okay, now here who is talking? Sita. and we know Sita is a girl. और यहाँ पर क्या है, I is the first person. सीता किसके बारे में बात कर रही है? सीता is talking about herself. वो अपने बारे में बात कर रही है. सीता is talking about herself. Okay, as I told you in rules also कि जो I है वो he या she में convert हो जाता है. But when you need to check who is the speaker, whether it is a boy or a girl, ठीक है? तो here Sita is a girl, so here again we will have she. Now let's see. Sita said that. I का क्या बन जाएगा? She. M का क्या बन जाएगा? Was. Okay. Rest of the sentence will be same. Cooking in the kitchen. Clear है? Now let's take this sentence here. John said, I am flying kites. Now here John कौन है? John is a boy. Okay? तो ये किसकी बात कर रहा है? I अपनी बात कर रहा है. तो how we will change it? Because now here John is a boy, so we will write here he. Okay? Now let's see. John said that he, क्योंकि ये I जो है किसके लिए स्टैंड करता है? जॉन के लिए. ठीक है? John said that he was flying kites. Okay? Now clear, Rajay? So if I is given here, I is the first person. If I is given here, we need to check who is the speaker here, whether it is a boy or a girl. If it is a boy, then we will use he. If it is a girl, then we will use she. Or if any name is given, we are not going to change the name. Name will remain as it is. We are only going to change the helping verbs. तो हमने क्या क्या changes किए? We have removed the commas and we have used that here to connect these two parts, and we have changed is to was. ठीक है? am to was, और अगर कोई plural में are दिया है तो are is changed into were. Okay, so dear students, I hope it is more clear to you now. So please watch this video again and again, okay, for better understanding. So all these rules are given here, and I will get back to you soon with another video. Okay, so till then, have a good day. Bye bye.